Welcome back to Australian Immigration. Today, we're diving into some exciting news for anyone hoping to work in Australia in 2024. We'll be discussing the latest updates and changes to the popular Australia Work Visa Subclass 400. Let's get started. The Subclass 400 visa allows individuals to work and live in Australia for up to 4 years. It's a flexible option for those wanting to gain international experience, build their careers, and explore the incredible Australian landscape. Major updates to Subclass 400 for 2024. Now, let's dive into the key updates for 2024. 1. Increased age limit for working holiday makers. Starting July 1, 2024, the maximum age for working holiday maker (WHM) visas will increase from 30 to 35. This means more people can experience the WHM program and benefit from its opportunities. 2. 3 WHM visas allowed. Additionally, individuals eligible for WHM visas can now apply for up to 3 visas in their lifetime without any specified work requirements. This provides greater flexibility and allows individuals to explore different regions and opportunities within Australia. 3. Streamlined application process. The Department of Home Affairs has streamlined the application process for Subclass 400 visas, making it easier and faster to apply. This includes online applications, clearer instructions, and improved communication channels. Expanded work opportunities under Subclass 400. Another exciting update is the expansion of work opportunities for Subclass 400 visa holders. Previously, visa holders were restricted to specific sectors and occupations. However, under the new regulations, they can now work in a wider range of industries, providing greater flexibility and career development opportunities. This expansion is particularly beneficial for individuals with specialized skills in critical sectors like technology, healthcare, and education. It also opens doors for those seeking to work in regional areas, contributing to their development and economic growth. Eligibility requirements and application tips. Now, let's address the essential eligibility requirements for Subclass 400 visas. You must meet health and character requirements. You must have sufficient funds to support yourself during your stay in Australia. You must possess a valid passport from an eligible country. You may need to meet specific skills or experience requirements depending on your chosen visa stream. Host. For a successful application, ensured you. Carefully review the eligibility criteria and choose the appropriate visa stream. Gather all required documentation and meet deadlines. Proofread your application to avoid any errors or inconsistencies. Resources and support for applicants. Navigating the visa application process can be daunting. Luckily, several resources and support options are available. The Department of Home Affairs website provides comprehensive information on Subclass 400 visas, including eligibility requirements, application steps, and fees. Registered migration agents can offer personalized advice and assistance throughout the application process. Online forums and communities connect you with other visa applicants and share valuable insights and experiences. Remember, utilizing these resources can increase your chances of receiving a successful visa outcome. A bright future for Australian immigration. As we conclude, it's clear that the Australia Work Visa Subclass 400 offers a promising pathway for individuals seeking to work and explore Australia in 2024. With the increased age limit, expanded work opportunities, and streamlined application process, the program presents itself as an even more attractive option for aspiring immigrants. So whether you're a recent graduate seeking international experience, a seasoned professional looking for career advancement, or an individual simply yearning for adventure, the Subclass 400 visa unlocks a world of possibilities in Australia. Start planning your journey today and embrace the exciting opportunities that await you down under. Thank you for joining us on Australian Immigration.